Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth was shaped like a donut? Imagine a world where our planet takes on this delectably different form. An intriguing thought, isn't it? It's a perspective that's bound to stir your curiosity. So, buckle up as we delve into the deliciously twisted world of a donut-shaped Earth. We are all familiar with the Earth we inhabit, a nearly perfect sphere. This spherical shape isn't a mere coincidence, but a remarkable result of natural forces at work. Let's delve into why our planet is spherical. The primary force at play here is gravity. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of mass. When the Earth was forming, gravity pulled in all directions evenly, causing the material to form a sphere. This is the same reason why other planets, stars, and celestial bodies are spherical too. In essence, the sphere is nature's way of saying, this is the most efficient shape for an object with gravity. Now, what are the implications of a spherical Earth? Well, gravity, for one, behaves predictably on a spherical planet. It pulls everything towards the center, which means no matter where you are on Earth, gravity will keep you firmly on the ground. If the Earth were any other shape, gravity's pull would vary wildly, leading to quite a chaotic existence. A spherical Earth also influences our climate. The Earth's tilt and rotation around the sun create the different seasons we experience. This is possible because of the Earth's spherical shape, which allows the sun's rays to hit different parts of the Earth at different angles and intensities throughout the year. Furthermore, life as we know it has evolved and adapted to a spherical world. The distribution of land and sea, the flow of air and ocean currents, even the migration patterns of birds and animals are all influenced by our planet's spherical shape. But let's take a moment to entertain a deliciously twisted idea. What if our Earth wasn't a sphere but took on a different shape? What if our planet was shaped like, say, a donut? The sphere, a shape that has served us well, but what if things were a bit more twisted? The implications are intriguing and the possibilities fascinating. Join us as we venture into this hypothetical world in the next segment. Imagine, if you will, waking up one day to find the Earth has taken the form of a donut. A scenario that may seem far-fetched, yet intriguing to ponder. In this donut-shaped world, gravity would play a captivating role. You see, gravity pulls everything towards the center of mass. In a spherical Earth, this is at the core. But in a donut Earth, the center of mass is not just at the core, but also along the circumference of the donut hole. This would mean that gravity would pull you towards the ground, just like it does now, but also slightly inward towards the donut hole, creating a sort of gravitational well. Imagine standing on the inner edge of the donut. You'd feel a stronger pull towards the ground beneath your feet, but also a noticeable pull towards the other side of the donut hole. It's like standing at the bottom of a hill, with the other side of the hill curving upwards and away. Now let's talk about climate. The donut shape would impact how sunlight hits the Earth. The inner edge of the donut would receive more concentrated sunlight, making it warmer. The outer edge, however, would receive less sunlight, leading to cooler temperatures. This could lead to a fascinating array of microclimates, from scorching deserts on the inner edge to chilly tundras on the outer rim. Life and civilization would need to adapt to these new conditions. Perhaps we'd see cities built into the sides of the gravitational well, taking advantage of the unique gravitational conditions. Agriculture might be different too, with crops selected to thrive in the varied microclimates. And what about travel? Circumnavigating the globe would take on a whole new meaning. Would we build bridges across the donut hole? Imagine the view from such a bridge, with the world curving up around you on all sides. A donut Earth certainly presents a plethora of new challenges and opportunities. So, while it might seem a whimsical idea, it certainly provides some food for thought. A sphere and a donut, two vastly different shapes, each with its unique implications. Let's dive into a comparison between our familiar spherical Earth and the fantastical donut-shaped Earth. The most immediate difference lies in the gravitational pull. On a spherical Earth, gravity pulls everything towards the center, creating a uniform force. However, on a donut-shaped Earth, gravity would pull everything towards the fattest part of the donut. This could result in some interesting and unpredictable effects, possibly even causing objects to roll perpetually. Now let's talk climate. The spherical Earth's climate is largely determined by the tilt of its axis and its distance from the sun. This gives us our 4 seasons and the variety of climates we see from the poles to the equator. But imagine a donut-shaped Earth. This would create a completely different climate system. The inner part of the donut, being closer to the sun, might be a scorching desert, while the outer part, being further away, could be a chilly, frozen wasteland. And then, there's the question of life. Life as we know it has evolved to survive in the conditions present on our spherical Earth. But would life be possible on a donut-shaped Earth? It's hard to say for sure. The altered gravity and climate conditions could make life as we know it impossible. Yet life has a way of adapting to the most extreme conditions. In terms of pros and cons, a spherical Earth provides us with predictable gravity, familiar climate patterns, and a proven environment for life to thrive. A donut-shaped Earth, on the other hand, would introduce a whole host of challenges. Yet, it's worth noting that it would also offer a new and exciting world to explore, full of unknowns and potential discoveries. Though a donut-shaped Earth may seem outlandish, it's an intriguing thought experiment that challenges our understanding of the world. So, what have we learned from this delicious twist on reality? We've embarked on a peculiar journey today, venturing beyond the familiar sphere to the realm of the donut-shaped Earth. We've unraveled the differences between these two shapes, from the gravitational shifts to the unique climate zones. We've explored how a donut Earth might lead to a bizarre yet intriguing reality, where our understanding of geography and physics would take a sweet detour. But don't let the sugarcoating fool you. Our spherical Earth has its own charm with its predictable gravity and hospitable climates. While we enjoy the comfort of our spherical home, it's always fascinating to imagine the what-ifs. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day you'll find yourself biting into a different kind of reality.